All right, today's going to be really quick and easy. A friend of mine wrote to me on Facebook, and he's a new friend. He's a friend of a friend, but he's asking a Premiere question, so of course I want to help. He's asking me how to sync two different videos. So if I have video one like this, and then we have another video on top of that, and even though you don't start these videos at the same point, how do you sync them? And this is actually pretty easy. And I'm going to show you how to do it with three videos, just in case, Dan, you want to do it in the future like this. So you put all your videos on top of each other. And if you have an audio track, like for instance, we have a master audio track here as well. We're using bad audio from the cameras, but really clean audio from the podcast mics here. So any audio, any video that you have, you're going to, let me just make this bigger so you can see everything. So you just slam it all together on top of each other, just like this, nice and easy. Highlight everything. You're just going to click on the dark background here with your mouse, click, and then drag the lasso over everything so everything's highlighted. You're going to right click, come down here to synchronize right here. Click synchronize. In here, you don't want to click this click start or click end because you could just do that manually. You want to sync everything up by audio, and if you have the option for mix down, do mix down. It doesn't really matter because you can go and change it anyway. And then hit OK. This is going to take a second because literally it's going through all the audio and it's finding all the peaks and valleys to find which ones connect to which audio. So as long as you have audio recording from your source on your camera, it'll be able to sync up perfectly fine. If you don't have audio on your camera, that's when you got to read lips and do the old school non-slate way of doing. And as you can see, my computer's working and boom, there we go. As you can see, like all this stuff over here, it's over this far because literally we did video before the show started. And this is just the beginning. So let's take a listen and see if this is actually sunk up. Are more unique in that aspect, so maybe leaning more on that diversity part can really push that up. Okay, but you can't see my face, so let's... But when it comes down to it, guys, I mean, we're going to talk about this in a second. End all be all, especially for a school. Yeah, that's sunk up. Let's keep going here. And even if we take out the original camera audio, we still have the good audio from the podcast mics. And we're just going to bring those up and look at their socials. Okay. And their... That's not even our realm.
No.
It's not.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see Hilda here. Business, but we did find that nothing comes up with.
Yeah,
so
which can be frustrating to viewers.
There we go. Everything is sunk up nice and easy. There you go, guys. Nice and easy one today. Have fun. Have a great day. And I hope you guys edit something awesome. Be better and do something awesome today.